wake up and make pronouncements that have no basis. So this issue of Haiti, in line of the challenges we are facing as a country.
Honorable Atandi,
yeah.
You're contravening Standing Order 85. You're anticipating debate of a matter that is yet to come to the House.
I'm
just proceed along the
I'm
lines
just discussing something which is national, which is being discussed across the country. It is something which Kenyans are discussing, and Kenyans are wondering why you are asking.
Or a statement relating
okay.
to that, but you have the opportunity to follow up.
Let me, Madam Speaker, let me conclude by saying that the government of the day needs to wake up and do things that will serve Kenyans, especially in the area of security. And we don't want to hear these issues of Kenyans being kidnapped, while ministers are sleeping in the offices and the president is roaming around the world, touring and making speeches, some of which have no basis and have no relevance for the people of Kenya. Madam Speaker, I support.
What's your point of order on the Fadi bread? Number 4.